Hello from Magic Kingdom. I am by myself. Brian is at work. We're celebrating Christmas. I know it's early, but why not? If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome. Thank you guys so much for checking us out. If you could please subscribe, share with your family and friends, that would be great. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, hopefully more. As you can see, maybe there's decorations. And I'll turn it around so you guys can see the beautiful castle. You can even see the decorations here on Main Street over there. If you look closely, I'll try to zoom in. Let's see if it works. I hope it works because I can't see. The sun is in my face. Even just looking down Main Street, like you can definitely see Marceline, and it's crazy that we were just there not that long ago, but it's just still so beautiful. And then with all the Christmas decorations, just makes it so much more better. Oh, look at how cool, as Brian says, cool. So as you come into the Emporium, even the 50th merch stuff is decorated Christmas. Look how pretty. I really like these colors, and look at the top over here. Well, since it's Christmas, let's go in the Christmas shop. Oh no.
What? You don't want Michael's asking? I need the first. So then you don't want this one? No. You want two? Okay, alright. So which two? Okay. I can go in one. You want to give me the
They have these. How cute. Oh. $45. Yikes. Alright guys, here's a look down Main Street as you're walking out of the park. Guys, you can now meet Mickey! Alright guys, so that was just a small little trip here to Magic Kingdom. Check out some of the Christmas stuff that they have? Question mark? I know that they're supposed to be putting up a lot more, so we'll see. Most of it seems to be up, but who knows, there might be something different. But if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully you can subscribe. Like I said, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so we can go live with you guys. So like on days on this, when I'm by myself, you guys can tell me, go ride this ride, go try this treat, go look at this, some cool stuff. So hopefully we can get there. But again, thank you guys so much. I'm out of breath because I am parked at the very end, as you guys can tell. But again guys, we definitely thank you so much for all of your support. It's just overwhelming. You guys have definitely surprised us so much already. But thank you guys again, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.